What's going on, everyone? It's Maximus Trades back in another video. I know it's been a while, but I'm finally back. I just had a lot of shit going on. I had my school exams. I was really busy with those. I was really sick. I had like some stomach bug for like 2 weeks. I was really sick, so I wasn't really trading at all over the entire month of January up until now. Today was the first trade on the live account. It took a while, and we got absolutely like this is so annoying. We got stopped out, and then it went straight to take profit. We lost $25 on this trade. And unfortunately, if you look at the live account balance, I know we were at like $400, $300 at one point. You lost a lot of money. This is all because of like a lot of emotional trades I took before the new year, like around late December. I took a lot of emotional trades on that account, and also not over the over the break. Like I wasn't trading as good. Like I wasn't even trading bad. I was just being really emotional, kind of throwing everything away. And I was kind of in a bad space with like exams as well. I was really stressed out, and that just caused me to lose so much money on the live accounts. We're already all the way down to 134, so not really good. Plus, we lost $25 today, but I'm hoping we can turn up. I am going to be trading again tonight, Asia session. I've been back testing Asia session the last couple of maybe like 1 week or 2 weeks, because going into the new year in school, I think it's really hard for me to trade during school because it's like it's hard to focus between two different things, and like trading takes a lot of focus. Need to be in the headspace, and I don't think it's good if I be trading in school. So I am going to start trading. Try to trade at least Asia session and see how that goes for me. But yeah. Anyway, let's just break down what happened on this trade. So I was looking at the 4 hour time frame here. The 4 hour time frame here, and we had come down and made this like kind of retested this high time frame order block here, and then the same thing on the S&P. If you take a look, pull it up. We just came down and retested this order block here, and there were really no SMTs I went off of today. It was really just there's no SMTs I went off today. It was really just inversion, right? So I was like, I wasn't really paying too much attention to the market open because we just dumped. As you can see, we just dumped hella. And there's lots of times we had these retests. I didn't enter until we fully inverse this gap over here. So what happened was I was actually in a trade before here, around this level. We looked like we were gonna inverse. We didn't end up inversing, and that we were just stuck in this chop. Let me show you guys on the 1 minute here. We were just stuck in this horrible chop right here, down by this range, and I got out in this chop with like $10 profit. Luckily I got a break even because like the whole like main part of my trade is we were gonna inverse this gap down here, and as you can see we did inverse it. We took a lot of time, and I'm like, you know what, it's better not to just risk it. Got out here, and then we ended up inversing the gap, making the breakthrough here. I saw this 5 minute equilibrium retrace of this specific candle that I'm pointing at right now, this candle up here. So we were looking at this 5 minute retrace. We inverse the gap now, so that's my step one. And then we looked at the 5 minute equilibrium retrace, which we got here, and the 1 minute confirmation, which was the close above. We basically, what came from here, we were stuck. We literally got stopped out by like so little. I put my stop loss below this equilibrium range. I knew I should have dropped it down here. Like I was here before, but then I moved it back up for like a better risk reward up here, and then immediately, as soon as we got stopped, went all the way up, take profit. Which I also, yeah, I want to talk about the main draw for today, which is something I'm gonna start doing. So the main draw was this fair value gap over here, but taking market openers around here, right? So we dumped all the way down here, and I'm like, you know what? We hit this 4 hour order block. I think the main draw price wants to hit before coming down and hit these lows because we already dumped so much. Or yeah, we hit this order block and we drew into this bullish value gap here, right? So my thinking was like, before we want to come down and take out these lows, I think we want to retest this fat fair value gap up here. You can see it on the 1 hour, this fat fair value gap up here, and even on like the 15 minute. Yeah, there's a really big fair value gap here. We wanted to retest. So I'm like, you know what? I want to take longs up to there because I enter off reversal model, so that's good because you want to reverse up to the longs, and then we can just get out there and let it dump some more or whatever. So that's what my thinking was. Overall, it wasn't even a bad trade. Wasn't emotional at all. Like I know it was a little later in the day 11, but it was just patience. And it's really unfortunate we just got stopped, like taked out. Wait, sorry, it was like right there at the bottom of this candle. It looks like it's really unfortunate we got taken out there, but it's fine. Coming back to that trade A session, let's see how that goes. But overall, finally back on trading. I know the live account's looking pretty bleak. I think it's like episode 10 or 11 of the live account challenge. We're still gonna make this 1,000, I promise you. Hoping to do it in the next month or two. because now I'm gonna be back on my shit like fully. Because like I was the last month and a half, like I was not trading at all. Like I was like just focused on school too much. But yeah, we're gonna lock back in and see where we can go. But I am gonna be posting live videos tonight because I'm gonna trade Asia session, and let's see how that goes. So anyway, that's enough for Maxwell's trades. That's enough for today. I mean, enough for now. But then I'm gonna see you guys tonight with another video if we trade Asia session. All right.